Struggling to turn long audio files into clean, accurate transcripts fast? Imagine doing it with one of the most powerful open-source speech recognition models available today. In this video, we'll explore NVIDIA's Parakeet-TDT 0.6 BV2, a cutting-edge speech-to-text model designed for developers, creators, and businesses who need high-speed, high-quality English transcription. Stay tuned as we break down how this ASR model works, what makes it unique, and how you can use it to transcribe audio files faster than ever. Whether you're into AI, machine learning, voice tech, or content automation, this one's for you. Key features include accurate word-level timestamp predictions, automatic punctuation and capitalization, and robust performance on spoken numbers and song lyrics transcription. It processes up to 24 minutes of audio at once, using advanced neural architectures to understand and transcribe speech. The output? Clean, readable text complete with punctuation, capitalization, and even word-level timestamps. Whether you're transcribing interviews, lectures, or podcasts, Parakeet-TDT gives you fast, accurate, and structured results. Developers can quickly integrate the Parakeet-TDT 0.6 BV2 model into their applications using NVIDIA's Nemo Toolkit, an open-source framework designed specifically for building state-of-the-art speech recognition models. With just a few simple steps, you can start transcribing audio and unlocking the full potential of this model in your own projects. First, install the Nemo Toolkit using pip. It's fast and easy, requiring only one line of code in your terminal. Once installed, load the pre-trained Parakeet-TDT 0.6 BV2 model in your Python script with just a few more lines of code. This model is ready to transcribe long audio files quickly and efficiently, even in production-level applications. Within moments, you'll have accurate, readable transcriptions of your audio files, complete with punctuation, capitalization, and timestamps, ideal for developers building speech-to-text applications or anyone needing efficient transcription capabilities. The Parakeet-TDT 0.6 BV2 model achieves outstanding performance on the HF Open ASR leaderboard, delivering a real-time factor, RTFX, that demonstrates its exceptional transcription speed. This means it can transcribe audio significantly faster than real-time, setting a new standard for automatic speech recognition. Alright, now let's put this into action. For the demonstration, click the Hugging Face link in the description below to test it for free. I've got an MP3 of a famous Bad Bunny track, and we're going to turn that speech into text. I'm uploading the audio into the Parakeet-TDT model right here. And the magic is about to happen. For longer files, like full songs, the model uses something called chunked inference. It splits the audio into small, manageable pieces so it doesn't overload memory and can transcribe smoothly. And boom, here's the result. The lyrics, transcribed directly from the audio. I already have the official lyrics, and this is super accurate. Seriously, the result is super cool. This is something we can use daily. Whether you want to understand a song better, make karaoke subtitles, or just save the lyrics, this tool gives you a fast and easy solution. So there you have it. Bad Bunny lyrics from MP3 to text in just a few clicks. This is next level useful. Alternatively, run it for free in Google Colab by following the provided link for automatic speech recognition, ASR. Nemo is a really useful tool that turns spoken audio into text using pre-trained models like QuartzNet and Conformer. These models are designed for super accurate transcription and work great on GPUs. This makes them ideal for things like adding subtitles, indexing podcasts, or making videos searchable. Google Colab lets you easily get access to these models and start transcribing audio right in the cloud. So yeah, the demo speaks for itself. You've seen how powerful it is, and most importantly, how easy it is to use. I just wanted to show you how it works in a real situation, because we hear a lot about AI and advanced models, but here, you can see it's really accessible to everyone. Thanks for watching all the way through. I hope this gave you the motivation to try it out for yourself. I'll see you very soon with more useful tools or cool experiments like this one.